Darwinism is the theory of biological evolution developed by the English naturalist Charles Darwin and others stating that all species of organism arise and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to complete, survive, and reproduce.
The theory of evolution by natural selection first formulated in Darwin's book On the Origin of Species in 1859 is the process by which organisms change over time as a result of changes in heritable physical or behavioral traits.
So Darwin's most famous and most important theory of evolution is natural selection. It promotes adaptation. The mechanism for adaptation in evolution is called natural selection, and this theory states that those organisms best adapted to their environment have a better chance of surviving and reproducing.
Darwin's theory of evolution. Evolutionary change over time is the process by which modern organisms have descended from ancient organisms. A scientific theory is a well-supported, testable explanation of phenomena that have occurred in the natural world.
So genetic variations are passed on through reproduction. Evidence for evolution illustrates how organisms are related. Natural selection leads to evolution, and our understanding of evolution has changed over time.
Some mice are eaten by the birds, but the ones that survive and pass on to the next generation. What is the random part of natural selection? A. Changes in DNA that causes variation are random. B. Natural selection is totally random. You never know who will survive. D. Predators pick their prey randomly. C. Actually, all parts of natural selection are random.
On his visit to the Galapagos Islands, Charles Darwin discovered several species of finches that varied from island to island, which helped him develop his theory of natural selection. They also helped investigate evolutionary changes in Darwin's finches.
It is one of the best known examples of evolution by natural selection. Darwin's great discovery and is often referred to as Darwin's moth. Pepper moths are normally white with black speckles across the wings, giving it its name.
The evolution of the peppered moth is an evolutionary instance of color variation in the moth population as a consequence of Industrial Revolution. The concept refers to an increase in the number of dark-colored moths due to industrial pollution and a reciprocal decrease in the population in a clean environment.
An example of natural selection is giraffes. A long time ago, giraffes had long and short necks, but the ones with short necks wouldn't survive because they couldn't reach the leaves, so only the giraffes with long necks would survive, like in the next picture. And that's the end for Darwin's theory of natural selection.
The end.
Thanks for watching.